Look at it.
Here's my birthday present. It's my family for my car. I've been wanting one of these. Hey, Amy.
Hi.
It's gonna look really cute.
Wait, so that me, Eric, look at Eric's doing. Yeah.
You have to do the top.
Sorry,
I don't think, well, I don't need that. All you need is the white.
You need to make sure that looks pretty straight. Yeah, it's adorable. I like it. Oh yeah, I think that's really good. It's perfect. Perfect. It's perfect. It's funny because this is the only clean part on the back.
Hope they stick right. Let's see.
Oh.
There's Isaac. Look, Isaac, you're being born.
I need a
You're being waxed off.
Yeah, you're being waxed off. Oh, someone run in real quick and get a paper towel. Hurry.
Hurry. One of the
That's fine.
Go,
Those are
Isaac.
small.
No?
My head.
Your head is almost there, Allie. Amy.
It's okay if Amy's hair is crumbled. Yeah, it's alright if my hair is messy. It doesn't like it's ever good. Except not if your head is. It should.
Here's Amy.
Will that bubble come out? I think it's fine. It should. Mommy's iPad runs good. Well, is that Mama's iPad? Yeah, it's like Mama's iPad. It is. Here comes me.
Oh, Allie's got a volleyball.
I'm really a video.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
I am really videoing.
Eric. Hello. Are you pretending that's your motorcycle?
There's Allie.
Hello. I'm beautiful. Yeah, you are. Me too. You don't even take volleyball. I want to next year at ACCHE, where Emily takes. Cool. Here comes the wheel. Oh, look at this. I think we're all adorable. I think Eric's ugly.
Why?
Joking. What is that? This? Yeah. Kind of a tomato plant that Eric Here's Allie's board. It actually goes the totally opposite way. It does? We're starting from you, which are the youngest. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Here comes Eric.
His motorcycle. Wow, he's like no bubbles. Right there. Eric, you have like no bubbles at all. You just like, okay. You're so cutie. Oh,
Here comes Mom.
I can't get that bubble out of yours.
me? Which one?
Right
I have an iPod. I'm listening to music.
Oh, it should probably go away. I think it's fine. I wouldn't worry about it. What?
What?
That?
Don't scrape it off.
What's it say?
It's
The
just like
name
a
brand?
big, huge number.
Oh.
Shows how many people are in our family. Mommy has a bubble nose.
You have a bubble.
It's like
Your
that.
nose should be-
Seriously.
That's
And
funny.
it's zitty.
Uh-oh.
Hi. Mommy. Wow.
What?
I don't know.
Well,
Your birthday doesn't seem like a birthday. I'm a rock.
it's a good birthday.
That was awesome. That was awesome. That was awesome.
Oh, here comes Dad on his piano.
Oh my.
That's a bubble butt.
Zitty face. I have a bubble butt. Because there's a big bubble right there.
But you don't say that,
Be happy.
Isaac.
No, we know. Someone's a fight here. I have a whip.
Here
and
comes
a whip.
Dad.
That's how many people are in our family. We've got a couple more coming. We ordered like 10,000 million more. The inheritance will have them like all across this whole thing. Like, it's the, oh.
Yay!
That's my dress.
Thank you guys. It's so cute.
You're welcome, Mommy. You're welcome. This is from the tomato plant, and it's a whip.
Wow.